Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day number 4. So I have a sea doll. It's not a very big one, but I saw how popular Baker Creek seeds are on here, so I had to order some seeds. Sorry, it's dinner time for my dogs, so I need to feed my dogs right after this. But I ordered a catalog too. I've been wanting to get that catalog, but it wasn't in the mail. So, I love sugar. We're just gonna put that out there. I love sugar. So, when I saw these brown sugar tomatoes, we had to try them. So, let me take a look at the back. Start indoors 6 to 10 weeks before last frost. Definitely looking forward to those. And then I ordered some peppers, and I'm not even trying to say this, but again, it had the word sweet. So it says 75 days, scrumptiously sweet red frying peppers from Argentina. They can reach 3 feet tall. They benefit from staking. They produce tons of peppers, each reaching almost 12 inches long. Thick-walled flesh, very juicy and sweet. All right. Next, I thought I would try. I wonder if they stuck some free seeds and free. So this must be my free seeds. So we got some lettuce. 1 second. Okay. I'm back. Dogs had their dinner. I tell you what, they are like clockwork. Breakfast and dinner, they're on it. Okay, let's continue. I got 2 more. So, I seem to have a lot of luck with green beans. So I thought I would try these. The Cantar green beans. And they say superior producer of slim 4 to 5 inch straight dark green pods for snaps. Outstanding flavor. Bush habit requires no staking, direct seed after last frost. You can soak the seeds overnight. So yeah, more beans. We might plant those this week. Lastly, something that I really haven't had any luck with growing, carrots. I don't know why. It should be so simple. So let's see. Carrots require light and fluffy soil in full sun. Surface sow, press in gently, provide consistent irrigation. Best in cooler weather, so probably now is the time to get these planted, so we'll try some more carrots. I plan on ordering more once I get my catalog because it's so fun to just page through everything. Sorry, I grew up when there was a Sears catalog, JCPenney catalog, all these catalogs versus looking online. Yes, it's fun, but you put a catalog of seeds in front of me, I will be, wow, happy. So, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.